Hey guys, Greg here. I wanted to do a quick update since we have more data on everything. So I was going to just go through everything real quick and show you. BTC still hanging out there. I showed you some possible shorts if this is going to pop up. It's got to go in this area. I got to watch it. I'm going to watch it to see what happens there to see if it's going to continue to go up. This is starting to become questionable whether it's going to go up more, but it's just hanging out right there. So I don't know yet. Just going to watch that one, and I was expecting some more upside on that. That's still a possibility, but looking at the other altcoins, it's making me question that. This would be very strange because it'd be a truncated fifth. So with Bitcoin, still there's a potential more upside. Now on ETH, I want to go out to the 1 hour chart real quick. On ETH, this could be coming near its finish. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And typically this fifth wave, if you just take the measurement of the first wave and then you got the fifth wave, something like that, it could be coming up at its end right there. And if you see, there's a good amount of bullish or bearish divergence right there. So just to let you guys know, it could be coming up on the end right there. So what is this? This is a 5-wave. This could be your 5-wave move right here. Let me get the LA. Here's your 5-wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up for the 5. And this would be your A, your B, and then your C for your expanded flat. So that's a good possibility if you take the fib extension on this A and then go down the bottom of the B. 1.618, anywhere in this area from the 1 to 1.618 is the expanded flat area. So what I'm saying is there's a good possibility that this is a corrective wave. I'm like the rest of you guys, man. I want this to be bullish just as bad as anybody else. And I'm trying to look for bullishness at every way possible that I can. And every time that I do, I come up to dead ends. That's just what it is, guys. I just come up to dead ends when I'm looking for bullishness in it. That's still there. It's still a possibility. I mean, you'd be ignorant to leave that out. Now, Solana is another one that I wanted to go. I've been going over, and I'm trying to get a bullish count. I went over this on a video, and the only way is that this is be counted as a 1-2. Now, the other thing is too, expanded flats are disguised as a 3-wave impulsive move, 1, 2, 3, just like that. So it would have to come down for this 4, like I mentioned in the other video, and do that 5 and complete that sequence. If not, then this will turn into an expanded flat possibly with a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 up for this 5, and it's hit the target. Now, don't get me wrong. These on a coin like this can shoot up to 2.618. So it can go up to 191. And if it does, there's going to be a lot of people thinking this thing's back on a bull run, and it could be an expanded flat only for this thing to reverse. And expanded flats like this are known to pump up really good and reverse suddenly. So, Solana is another one. I'm trying to get a bullish count out of that. That's the only way, if you want to be bullish on Solana, is this. This has to be a 1, and this is a 2. And this is going up for a 3rd wave. And you want to see another 4th wave correction and up for 5. All right. Kusama is another one. I mean, I want this to be bullish too, but the only way you get bullishness out of this is this has to be a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3. So you need to see 4 and then 5. If not, this is going to turn to expanded flat, and you're going to sit up here. This could push Kusama. Just to give you an idea, Kusama could potentially go to 285. And that is possible for a coin like that. I went over Phantom yesterday, and you know, um, yeah, I went over that. It's already hit the target of 165, and then I said I could go as high as $2 plus or something like that. So on these moves like this is a very strange move, but it could pop up there. Just beware of the downside that could be coming, guys. Dot's another one that's giving me. I look for Dot for clues in BTC, and it gave me this clue on this fourth wave right here. So this was interesting on Dot. So I was like, okay, let me look at Dot and see if I can get some more clues on what's going on. So with Dot, I was like, okay, maybe it's like this. Okay, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was like, that's possible. That's pushing it. But here's the issue with Dot. If you take these fibs, and this is the 1 and that's the 2, it's not hitting the third wave. It's not hitting the third wave target, guys. It's just not. This third wave needs to be right there. At least in this area right there. If it's down in this area, it's a 1-to-1. So it's a 1-to-1 of this wave. So it's in the expanded flat area rather than the impulse area. And that's definitely a concern. And then if you take a look at Dot, it's getting a whole bunch of bearish, it's making bearish divergence. So my guess is that Dot is coming up on its end and doing a pullback. So how bad that pull it might be this, it could be, it could turn into this. So you want to be aware of this. Here's your 3 and it comes down for a 4 and then back up for that 5. And it could be that. But the issue is, unless it gets up there, this fifth wave gets up there, closer to the top of that box, then you can go with more of a bullish count. There's a couple other coins I was gonna go over. Let's see, what other ones? Oh yeah, I was keeping track of Rune. Yeah, guys, Rune needs to complete this fourth and push up for a fifth. It has all bullishness. It has bullishness to it, and this is just third wave. This is just third wave, guys. So you check the fibs on that. It's hit the 1.618. It needs to pull back and go up and complete that fifth. Complete that fifth and then do a pullback, and that's still possible. But now looking at these coins, man, I'm starting to wonder, and this is starting to get concerning a little bit here on Bitcoin, that it just went up here. Because, I was talking about doing longs, and then this could be, a 5 wave. It could pull back for 2 in here. But you got to be careful that this sequence can change real quick, where this is a 1 and this becomes a 2, and it's going to shoot down. So you want to keep that in the back of your mind just in case something like that happens. But I just expected Bitcoin to be up a little bit more, kind of like ETH. ETH shot up pretty good, but Bitcoin's not doing it. I was going to go over some more. Let me see. Yeah, I was looking at Luna a little bit, guys, and I'm just going to do a whole video on this one with Luna to try to map that out a little bit better. That's its own little thing. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I just want to go over that real quick. It's just some areas of concern that I have that I'm getting more evidence. It looks like that some of these corrections or bounces, I'm going to call them bounces, where some of them are coming to an end. Like Solana, that one. Yeah, Solana. Here's Solana. And, this is going to be interesting. Whoever jumped in here, man, kudos to you. You're riding this up. I'm telling you, you want to be careful. This is exactly what an expanded flat. These things are disguised as impulse waves, you know. So, and you know, this coin can go up to, let's see. Yeah, Solana can go up to 193 or 195. And everybody's going to say, "Oh man, you know, look at that," you know. So, all right, guys, that's it. I'm starting to get a little more evidence that a correction is, or it's a correction up. That's why I'm calling it correction. These moves seem like they're coming possibly to an end a lot sooner than I expected. So I just have to get more data and see how it plays out. All right, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Peace.